Welcome to our channel. If you want to understand your bank statements fully, follow these step-by-step instructions to read them expertly and identify errors. Step 1. Review your opening and closing balance at the top of each statement. These numbers show where your account started and ended for the statement period. Step 2. Verify every transaction listed in the statement against your records. Check deposits, withdrawals, checks, debit purchases, and transfers to ensure all are accurate and authorized. Step 3. Look for unfamiliar transaction descriptions and investigate them. Merchant names may appear different on statements than store names, so verify unclear charges. Step 4. Calculate the math yourself to ensure the bank's calculations are correct. Add deposits to the opening balance and subtract withdrawals to verify the closing balance matches. Step 5. Check for duplicate charges from the same merchant. System errors sometimes process transactions twice, and you deserve refunds for duplicate charges. Step 6. Review fees charged during the statement period. Verify you understand why each fee was assessed, and challenge any that seem incorrect or excessive. Step 7. Confirm all deposits credited to your account actually appear. Occasionally, deposits are delayed or credited to wrong accounts, so verify everything you deposited shows up. Step 8. Report errors to your bank within 60 days of the statement date. Federal law protects you for errors reported timely, so don't delay addressing discrepancies you discover. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.